Hello, Joe Watkins coming to you today from Bravo Group Real Estate in McDonough, Georgia, specializing in property management. Today we're going to talk about why hire licensed and insured contractors in your property. So many of us do not like the idea of paying an exorbitant amount of money to have basic repairs done on our property. And so that is a question we get all the time as a property manager is, how can I prevent from paying $75 trip charges for every time someone comes out? What they know is they have a pickup truck guy who's been their handyman for years that can go take care of that issue and maybe only cost them 30 or 40 bucks. Well, here's the danger. We're in a sue-happy society where tenants expect everything and more. And this is not all tenants, but we have issues where little items can become big deals. And if we have contractors out there that have not been qualified through a process and have insurance to protect them and us and you as the owner, then you very well could be in a lawsuit down the road where proper insurances are not in place and you're on the hook for a lot of money because that pickup truck guy who didn't have workers' comp cuts some limbs out of a tree, falls off, breaks his neck, and his family is suing you because you were responsible for hiring that person. Or that person comes in and doesn't realize that when there's a young girl on the property, there should not be a grown man in there alone with a young girl. An altercation either occurs or don't occur, it doesn't matter. They've been accused, and now you as the property owner are going to be held liable. So, outside of the quality of work, when you get a general contractor that has a general liability policy, has a workers' comp policy, these policies go a long ways to pre-qualifying who we're going to do business with, as well as protect you and the property manager from all types of liability. So we have found that it is critical to not just hire the cheapest person. Make sure we're hiring reputable people that have addresses that we can track them to and have proper insurances that we have verified with their carrier is a real policy, because we've also gotten contractors that have fraudulent insurance documentation. So this is just a brief little reminder that I know cost is of importance to us as owners and property managers, but it is important that we do not bypass this particular filter when it comes to insurance. Thank you. Have a great day. We'll come back to the next blog soon.